Hello, CNG 132. Welcome back to starting week 6. I guess we're not welcome back to the week. We're starting week 6. As I was reading the discussions, it was very interesting to see that a lot of people chose the wireless peripherals. Those are continuing to be a weakness, insecurities. The Fitbit was it like maybe it was like probably like 5 or 6 years ago. That was a weak point. Hackers exploited that. As we saw that mice and keyboards can also be exploited, wireless keyboards. When we start to move into the age of smart homes, where we have appliances that are interacting, ovens, dryers, washers, TVs, Alexa, anything that's IoT device, I guess, has to start coming with its own or being developed with security in mind. Because once an attacker gets access to the device, basically they have access to the network within a household, a business, etc. And that allows for more attacks there. One of the cool things that I like to do in the face-to-face class, and I like if anybody tries this, I'll more than gladly give them a couple points on something. But on my, let's see, I have hopefully you can see that. That's a network analyzer. Maybe it didn't come up too good on that camera. But really what the network analyzer does is if I ever have to hop on a wireless network, I'll make sure I have that open, and hopefully I only see either my device and the gateway and nothing else. That would be security. That would be making sure that I am secure from other people seeing my device. If I'm the only person, though, I guess it really does not work. There is another good one that I see on the Google Play Store. This Wi-Fi analyzer with the hand with the golden Wi-Fi signal coming out of it. This one's very good also. This is one of the ones we use in the face-to-face class, where we just kind of walk around and look at wireless networks around the campus. And this would be something, like I said, something good for you guys to start doing at this time, to see, is my, even if I hop off your home network, wireless network, and try to do and analyze your home network, you can see that what security you have on your home network. Or like I do, before I hop on, well, I should say, when I hop on any network, I'm already analyzing it to make sure that traffic cannot see me, I cannot see that traffic. If I can, I definitely if I hop on a wireless access point, an AP, I make sure that I scan it instantly. And if I do see anybody else, I hop off that, and say, okay, just forget this network, don't access it again, or make sure that I'm not accessing my bank account or anything like that, just so people can't look at the traffic. So continuing on, for week 6, I did post in the news that there was something wrong with the test. Make sure you do the test. Once again, 35 minutes, 35 questions, and you will have that time to do that. I will put this video there. We'll be client and application security. Another good chapter from Mindtown. We look at what we can do to secure these computers physically, and then also physically, what applications we can use, and just kind of look at host security at this point, or client security. Not so much server, but definitely the client. And I believe that's it that I have for you guys for this week. Once again, make sure you do the test. That was moved into this week. It's at the bottom. We're only covering Chapter 9 this week, so you should have plenty of time for that. I had a few questions about the wireless adapters in week 5. If you don't have a wireless adapter and did that lab, that's fine. I only understood that. My take is that only a few of you will have a wireless adapter laying around. Um, but if you do get one on your phone, you'll be able to see kind of, maybe if you try to redo the lab just on tweak it to your device, you should be able to get some experience out of that. And that is really, really good experience. Have a good week. Reach out to me. I'll be around this weekend.